Well, hey, good morning. My sensor failed again. I have two of them showing up here in the next 4 to 5 days because they've failed. I've had two of them fail in recent past. So, Abbott's been really good about replacing these things. Here's the one that has failed, and I'll just pull this off my arm now. Alright, so there it is. There's the sensor. You can see the inside of it. And that's what it looks like. Now I get a brown spot. Alright. So I'm just going to wipe this side of my... I'm going to put it on my right arm. And put it right up in this area. Here. Pretty simple to do. Feel no pain, it doesn't hurt, you don't feel a thing putting these on. It's unfortunate these things keep failing on me though. I don't know how this company is staying in business because they've had to give me several replacements. I'm hoping that by doing what I'm doing that they're resolving the issues that they have with this device. It's a Libre 14. If you're a diabetic, get one. Even though they fail, the company replaces them. They mail them right to your door and send you some shipping so you can send the damaged or defective one back. So that's really cool. So anyhow, I'm cleaning it with some alcohol swabs. And this is the new way that I will mount the new one. It comes in this yogurt container. I call it a yogurt container, yeah. Alright. Let the alcohol dry it a little bit. And right there was where I decided to put this one. So I'll just push it. That's all it does. Felt nothing. And I will now be able to check my blood glucose anytime, anywhere, anyone. Alright. Now nobody knows I have it. Play authentic. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Thanks, Abbott, for taking care of me. I appreciate it. Peace.